So, to make the Christmas tree out of a pallet, what I'm going to do, just using materials I have around the she shed. This is just a small button. It's just to give me guidance. So if I put it there, to that end there, and it roughly will give me what I need. Right? And then I decide to use this button that is already here. You might as well see my face while I'm talking. So I decided to use this button that is already here because you need it to give strength once you cut anyway. And it's a good base stand for me to add some kind of foot to stand, because I wanted to stand alone in the porch, so I'm going to have to create probably a cross, like a crisscross bottom, so that the tree can stand. So I repeat the same process on this side, just to give me a straight line for me to cut, right? Cut right across. And now I have what it looks like a Christmas tree, and I just need to cut. So, for the base and the trunk of the little Christmas tree, I have these bits left over, obviously from the bit I have cut. So I'm going to cut it square-ish or rectangular, but just nice and neat edges. And I used one of the buttons, what is the leftover, like that. And I'm going to attach to the tree, and then obviously screw it like so, and that should be, if it works, that should be enough to hold it like so. Let's see if it works. So there you have it, guys. My little Christmas tree is done. Didn't take long. I'll come up with a solution to put something here. I don't know, a star or a bow. I think it's really cute. I have to change there to create a cantilever, because if I turn around for you to see, that's how attached the foot, if you know what I mean. So you tend to, obviously there is more weight to the front, you was tipping over to the front, so by screwing the bottom further back it creates a cantilever effect. So now he can stand on his own. So there's lots of options here, guys. For you can paint it white if you prefer a white Christmas decor. So you could also just spray it with fake snow. I think that will look really nice as well. You could stain with wood stain and make it a bit darker. The options are endless, really. You can attach little bubbles, Christmas tree bubbles, or just fairy lights. It's to every individual taste, really, and whatever suits your Christmas theme, really. But the basic will be the same. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So I will be doing quite a few of these little videos of upcycling things for with Christmas decorations. So just let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.